Today, I'm going to show you how to create a completely custom author page in WordPress using the built-in site editor. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to design an author page that matches your brand and style, all without touching a single line of code. This isn't just about making WordPress look nice, it's about showcasing your authors, their bios, and their work in a way that truly stands out. Let's dive in. First, it's important to know that this method only works if you're using a modern block theme, like 2024 or other recent WordPress themes that have the site editor. If that's you, great, you can do all of this right from the dashboard, no plugins or coding required. Start by heading over to your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, find Appearance and give it a click. Then choose Editor. This is often called the site editor, and it's where most of the design magic happens these days. Don't worry if the interface looks a little different, it gets updated sometimes, but the features are mostly the same. Now inside the editor, look for Templates in the sidebar to the left. Templates are like blueprints for your site's most important pages, your homepage, individual posts, archives, and more. By adding a custom template, you get to tell WordPress exactly how you want certain pages to look. To create something new, click the Add Template button up in the top right corner. Sometimes it shows as a little plus symbol, plus, so keep your eye out for that. This will open a dialog where you get to choose what kind of template you want. For an author page, select Custom Template. Custom templates are super flexible. They can be applied to any page or post, and you get to name it. Give your template a clear name like author page so you'll find it easily later. Naming is more important than you might think, especially as your site grows. With your new template open, it's time to design. You'll see a blank canvas. To add elements, click the block inserter icon, the little plus sign plus. You can use blocks for text, images, groups, columns, and even pull in dynamic stuff like author avatars, bios, or lists of recent posts. Take your time arranging the blocks. For example, you might want an author photo at the top, a biography underneath, then a grid of their posts. Experiment. Rearranging blocks is easy, and you can preview different layouts before you commit. If you're not sure what to add, try some of WordPress's pre-designed patterns. They're basically block layouts that look good out of the box. You can always tweak these to make them fit your site's vibe. Remember, this part might take a few moments while you experiment and find what fits. Don't worry if it's not perfect on the first try. The site editor is designed for easy changes. Once you're happy with how your custom author page looks, head up to the top right and hit Save. This tells WordPress to remember your new template and make it available throughout your site. You can always come back and tweak things later, so nothing's permanent until you're satisfied. To actually use your custom template, edit any page like an author bio page. In the Page Settings sidebar, find the Template dropdown. Click that and you'll see your new author page listed. Select it, save your changes, and that page will now use your new custom layout. You can repeat this for each author or any page you want to use your template, and that's it. You've created a striking custom author page using only WordPress's built-in tools. If you found this guide helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment with your questions, or share your own template tips. And don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress walkthroughs and design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.